Everyone always asks, how does the Dorm Mom laundry service work? It's simple. First, sign up on our website, or sign up by using the mobile app. Next, select your college. Then, choose a laundry plan. Pick from our available times, or let us know what time works best for you. At the scheduled time, our driver shows up to pick up your bag of laundry. Meet them outside of your residence hall or at your off-campus apartment to drop it off. Then, our driver takes your laundry to our facility for processing. Your clean clothes are returned back to you within 24 to 48 hours, nice, crisp, and neatly folded. We come back weekly at the scheduled time to pick up your laundry and repeat the process for the whole semester. There are better things you could do with your time in college than spend 3 hours weekly trying to get your laundry done. We provide an array of laundry services that simplify your college experience. Wash, dry, and fold, dry cleaning, ironing, hang dry, hand wash, free pickup and delivery. We have served thousands of college students and understand the challenges of laundry while in college. It's not that you can't do your laundry, it's finding the time to get it done with everything else going on around academics. We help ease your college living so you can focus on the things that matter most. Sign up today at www.dormmom.com. We hope to see you soon.